The migration of Turks to the Netherlands started in the second half of the 20th century. In the 60s, the Netherlands started looking for workers in Turkey. They were recruited by Dutch companies. Until the 70s, the Netherlands actively recruited workers in Turkey. After the period of recruitment ended in the mid-70s, several thousand Turks applied for admission as refugees. Today there are about 378,000 Turks living in the Netherlands. Because the workers would only be temporary here, was no investment made in language courses or other forms of integration. That was not seen as a problem for the temporary stay in the Netherlands. The unskilled work in the Netherlands moved abroad, and after decades of working in the Netherlands, suddenly no work was available anymore. As a result, some of the Turkish migrants ended up on welfare. Turks are very focused on the homeland. Turks generally watch Turkish television and have strong social bindings with their community. The Turkish government itself maintains contacts with their people abroad. Turks are encouraged to vote in the Netherlands in Turkish elections, so the initial reason of migration has succeeded. The integration of Turkish people in the Netherlands has been slowed down because there has not been enough effort in the 60s, and because of the strong connection between Turks in the Netherlands.